Morning geocachers, I hope you're well. I'm out in York this morning doing a few geocaches, and I thought today I'd have a go at a trail around the city walls. I'm right in the heart of the city at the minute. Just over here, kind of behind me, there's the library. To my left, sorry, there's the library. Sounds like my taxi's coming. Yeah, I figured I'd wait for that to pass. The only snag at the moment with the city walls is there's a one-way system in place. So I think the easiest thing for me to do is to get on at Booth and Bar. It's one of the closest points, so I might as well go and have a look. Let's go looking. So as you can see, there's the Minster up ahead, and I'm about 200 metres or so away from the one that I'm going to do first. They're all numbered on the geocaching app, but obviously it doesn't matter which number you do them in, which order you do them in, it's up to you. This is St Leonard's Place. Always reminds me of the film Oliver for some reason. I think it's the final scene where Oliver has settled down with his new benefactor. There's the theatre, currently closed, I believe, because of the COVID restrictions. And Booth and Bar is just down there on the right hand side. Here we go. Right, according to the app, I think you can see that, I'm about 25 metres away. Found it. And today's date is the 30th of Jan. One of the nice things is, at least it's nice and quiet here. It is relatively early, don't even think it's 9 o'clock yet. Okay, job done. On to the next one. Let's give you a quick look at this. York Minster. Hope you liked this. If you do, give it a thumbs up. If you don't, give it a thumbs down. If you subscribe to the channel, won't cost you anything, but when you log into YouTube, you'll get a notification to say when I've uploaded any new videos. I think we should be that way around really, shouldn't we? Nice. I'll see you soon. Thanks for watching.